Hello everyone. Many times you must have applied in various organizations for job and you must have prepared a fantastic resume, but despite of that they don't get back to you. So why it happens, especially when you're a fresher or you are applying for some internships, they don't get back to you. So where is the problem? The problem lies with your resume. You have not customized your resume according to the requirement of the organization, and as a result of which your resume is not shortlisted. So I'm going to tell you some tips and some very important methods through which you can customize your resume according to the requirement of the organization. So don't worry, we are here with a workshop called Workshop on Resume Making, which is on 11th of August at 5 p.m. The Zoom link will be shared with all the registered candidates. So please inbox me and apply for the free workshop now.